Today's project is going to be removing this busted glass from the windows. So, let's see if I can figure out how to get this glass out of here. So I rolled the window all the way down so I could get to the little screws in the track that hold the window channel to the register channel. So there's some there, and there's a couple in that hole as well. So get those out and it should come out pretty easy. So Harbor Freight modular LED light is really good, because I can get in here and get light anywhere I need. Sticks to everything, and the thin blade that's on it, I can stick down the door and get a look at stuff. So, not endorsed by them, but it's one of my favorite products. Must be other people's too, because every time I've gone since I bought it in the last 6 months, this particular light's been sold out. So, guess the word is out that it's a good part. Usually with these cars, you have to pull the vent window unit before you can get the glass out, which is what's going to happen when I put a side glass in. So that's far enough away. I'm just going to leave the vent window if I can. Since this glass is all busted and broken anyway, we'll see if I can't just get it out of here. I put on this aftermarket door handle just to be able to roll the window up to get it out of here. Super cheap. that easy. Track doesn't look in terrible shape. The wiper on the inside of this rubber piece is just falling apart, as you'd expect for something that's almost 70 years old. But there. Now I don't have to worry about this dang glass falling out all over the place. Now for this side, the glass is in a lot better condition. It's still broken, but it's complete. So on this one, I think I do have to pull the register out, or the vent window out, in order to get the main glass out. Old tar asphalt patch stuff covering the screw holes. I think it's this one nut down here. There's 2 screws up at the top and then 2 screws here. I think that's all it takes to get this thing out of here. Grab a door hand or a crank handle so I can get that window down a little bit. getting on it with vice grips, but there's a smooth shank and some threaded pieces where the handle goes, the straight cut channels. You can clamp on the straight shank portion and not damage those threads for later on. Because you don't want to clamp right here, because then you'll mushroom those pieces over, and later on your new replacement window crank won't push on and sit correctly on there. This one is actually for the upper crank for the vent window. Shorter arm to clear this when you're cranking it over, but it's worked the same over here. It's just there was a binding spot on it, so I had to grab that vice grip to get it out of there. Handyman's second secret weapon. First being duct tape, second is your vice grip, and the third is a hammer. Pull out the upper screw. These are a bit fatter screw head. Here you can see, got the screw there on that angle that holds the regulator assembly to the crank window, or the vent window. And then the last one should be this little nut down here, and the whole vent window assembly should come out free. Why even bother getting a socket? I just clamp on it with this vice grip. missing one screw right here. I can feel it binding up in there. Still feels like it's binding up, so let's get this regulator I wasn't so gentle with it because the regulator was already broken. So I just beat on it to get it out of there because I know I was going to have to replace this piece now. Okay. just that easy. Alright. Got the same 4 screws as on the other window now. There we go. That's the door glass stripped from a 55 Chevy with struggle.